In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy one table from sheet 1 to another table in the same workbook. All right. So what we're going to do here, we have the hotel guest table, and I want to copy it on a new sheet. So here I have sheet 1, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to rename this sheet. So I'm going to go hover the mouse over the name of the sheet that says sheet 1. I'm going to right click, and then we're going to come here and click, we're going to click rename. So I'm going to call this hotel guest table as a sheet. Then I'm going to press enter on the keyboard, right? So this is my sheet, and I've renamed it as a hotel guest table. So to make a new sheet, we press on this plus sign. It says new sheet, and we click on it, and this is our new sheet. All right, so I'm going to go back to the hotel's guest table, right? And I want to copy this table on sheet 2, right? So what I do, I use my mouse and I click on cell A1 and I pull across to H13, right? So H13 will be this cell, right? So I'm going to come here, want to copy all of this, including the title for the table, which is hotel guest table, right? So again, we select this here from A1 through H13, right? Then we right click, copy, and here we have the marching ants has selected the table, right? Or you can come up here and go copy up here. So let me go again, escape, select the range here, then we can go copy here, right? There it is correctly selected. The variable margin and ants has selected the table there. So we come to sheet 2 now, and we click on the cell where we want to put the table. We start the table, which is in A1, and now we can click this paste icon, and then we click on it, and there is our table copied on a new sheet, right? So if we want to make it visible, we're gonna zoom it up a bit so you can see. All we're gonna do is just move the cursor here and just double click here, double click, or we hover the mouse until it changes to the plus that looks like it has the arrow pointing to the left and to the right, and we click on it and pull it down. All right, we click on here and pull it down, click and pull down, click and pull to the right, not down, pull to the right, adjust to the right, gonna adjust the column width to the right, right, gonna zoom out a bit so we can see, double click here, double click there, right? And this is how you would copy from one sheet to another sheet. So I'm going to rename this one just to show you. So to rename, right click, rename, and we can call this copied table, and click outside or press enter. So this is how I would copy from one sheet to another sheet, and also how to rename the sheets. So this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we showed you how to rename two sheets and how to copy from one sheet to another sheet. So in the next video, we'll be showing you how to use a pivot table to create a pivot chart. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until then.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.